Hey guys, Mike Diebler with San Diego Premier Training. In this video, I want to show you some of the common mistakes with the dumbbell row and how you can clean it up. All right, so the dumbbell row is one of our favorite back exercises. Great upper body pulling drill that is really going to strengthen that upper back, but we see a lot of mistakes with it. So when we set up, we're going to do a 3-point row. What we see a lot of times happen is we get a lot of momentum, a lot of instability, a lot of turning when we don't want it, and then we also see this hand really not doing a whole lot. So we're doing a one-arm row and we focus so much on this arm, we forget that both arms are working here. So I want to show you a few ways that you can clean this up. So first one, it's a one-arm exercise with the row, but both arms are actually working here. So this arm is going to be just as important as this arm. So when we set up for the row, we're going to be pushing this hand into the bench. So we want to make sure this is nice and stable. It's like the bench is trying to get away and I don't want it to. So we drive down, we row with the other arm. So it's kind of like a push-pull movement here. So number one, make sure that hand is pushing into the bench there. The other thing is just making sure we have no unwanted movement anywhere else. So I like setting up basically like you're going to do a squat, and then we fall forward. So now I have all my weight on that bench. This is going to help with that first thing, pushing that hand down. So now I'm committed here. Knees bent, heels off the ground. So now I can kind of watch my knees as I go. When you see all that rotation, you're going to see the lower body go with it. And we can see there's not good stability here. But when I lock down that core, push into the bench, and then create my rowing movement, I see my knees just stay lined up. They don't change position here. And now I can really focus on that pulling here, pushing here, and then that core holding it all together. All right, so try those little tips out next time you're doing a one-arm row.